In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create ClickFunnels 2.0 URL redirect. We'll walk through the entire process together, step by step. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to send visitors to a specific URL when they click a button on your funnel page. First, log into your ClickFunnels account and head over to your main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar with different options. Look for the section labeled Funnels and click on it. This will open a list of all the funnels in your account. Take a moment to find the funnel where you want to add the redirect. Once you've found it, click on that funnel to open it. After you select your funnel, ClickFunnels will load the funnel editor. In the center of the screen, you'll see the different steps or pages inside that funnel, such as a squeeze page, opt-in page, or thank you page. Decide which page you want to add the redirect button to. Hover your mouse over that page and you'll see an edit button appear. Click on Edit to open the page editor. Inside the page editor, we're going to add a button that will perform the redirect. Move your cursor to the section of the page where you'd like this button to appear. When you hover over that area, you'll see an option to Add Element. Click on that. A drawer or panel will slide open, usually on the right side of your screen. In this panel, look for the category labeled Form on the left side, then select Button from the available elements. This will place a new button on your page. Next, click on the button you just added. When you do that, another drawer will slide open with the button settings. Here you can customize the button's text, style, and size, but the most important setting for our purpose is the action that happens when someone clicks it. Look for the option labeled Button Action on Click. You can ignore whatever is currently set there because we're going to override it. Just below that setting, you'll see a checkbox labeled Enable Redirect Override. Check that box. A text field will appear where you can paste the URL you want people to be redirected to when they click the button. When everything is set, don't forget to save your work. Go to the top right corner of the page editor and click the Save button. Once it's saved, your redirect is active and ready for visitors.